Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we will talk about object types in Python. Okay, so we will start our discussion with what is an object. Object is basically a form of data which is stored at a particular memory address. And in Python, all types of the data is treated as an object. We can identify the memory address of the object using ID function. So this we have already seen in our previous session. And Python deals with different types of the data as a different object. For example, if there is an integer data, it is treated as an integer object. If there is a string data, it is treated as a string object. Likewise, if there is a Boolean data, it is treated as a Boolean object. So Python treats the different types of the data as a different object. Now we have couple of object types available in Python. First one is the numeric type. This type is used to deal with the numeric values like integer, float or complex numbers. Then we have Boolean types. This type is used to deal with Boolean values like true or false. Now in Python we have couple of object types which are treated as a sequence type. Some of the examples are list, tuples, bytes and byte arrays. Okay, so all these types of values are treated as a sequence type of object in Python. Then the next one is the set type. Then we have mapping type, which is another name of the dictionary. And finally we have other types. So some of the other types examples are none type, not implemented, ellipsis, date time, calendar, exceptions, instance. So all these comes under the other types. So these are basically 6 main built-in object types available in Python, and we will discuss each one of these in detail in our next sessions. That's all for this session. Thank you.